Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2008 Mazda 3, stock number 7341. It's ran from the 6th, 2006 to the 10th, 2013. There's an LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight. Left front 15-inch factory Mazda tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch factory Mazda tyre. Left hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory Mazda tyre. Right rear right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 15-inch factory Mazda tyre. Right front headlight. Right hand door kit. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.